Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all my people around the world. This is Stop By, local, regional, and international, home and abroad. Update on Kobe Bryant death. Kobe Bryant was flying in his helicopter with 4 people amongst him. 5 people were on board when the helicopter went down near Calabasas this morning. There were no survivors. Bryant's 13-year-old daughter was also on board. It is not reported that his wife Vanessa and the other 3 children was on board, but his 13-year-old daughter was on board as it is reported. Bryant, who is 41, who is a legend in the Lakers NBA franchise, right? He played his entire 20-year NBA career with the Lakers, the Los Angeles Lakers, and finished his career as one of the best to ever play the game. Right? Now, these are some videos I'm about to show you. These are the videos of the crash, and they are getting it together. Bryant was selected to an NBA record 18 consecutive NBA All-Star game. He also won 2 gold medals while representing the US in the 2008 and 2012 Summer Olympics. As the news broke, members of the NBA family team and members of the NBA franchise and many others began to show their shock and anguish. You know what I'm saying? Dwayne Wade, no. God please, no. You know, Mickey Harrison, prayers for Kobe. You know, Paul Gasol. There was a lot of people had a lot to say. Paul Gasol was like, quit playing. You know, he didn't want to believe that. Somebody said not number 8. No, that was my number. That's the number that I used to wear, where Kobe had taken from me. Anyway, no disrespect. And this is condolences to the family and the people around the NBA team and franchise. Okay? Los Angeles Lakers, up. This is Stop By. Share, like, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, they're gonna move us from here, so get whatever you can right now. I do have plenty of video, and okay, yeah, but I do have some plenty of video in case you want to send it back, but they want us to move a couple of blocks from here to like cross the street. So the street's gonna be closed, the bridge is gonna be closed, so I don't know what. I'll stick around and see what I can get. All right, thank you.
Okay, let me go PIOs here.
Sure.
5 hikers up here. I mean, they're good distance away, but do you want me to get their info? Yeah, everything. Copy and target.
As we know, this is a sad day for the NBA franchise because one of their best has gone. You know, Justy Winslow, cannot be true. Just cannot be. Mayers Leonard, whoa, life is fragile. Rest in peace, Kobe. A lot of people are sending their condolences out to Kobe, and the family, right? It is said that his 13-year-old daughter was on the helicopter. Kobe is a known frequent flyer from Newport to the Los Angeles game at the Staples Center. He do that regular during his time with the LA Lakers, right? So they're saying weather could have been the problem. Richard Sherman, just do not have the words, hashtag Kobe, right? So a lot of people just sending out the condolences. Stop by sending out his condolences to Kobe too, because me and Kobe have something in common. A lot of people don't know that, I had a chance to meet the LA Lakers, what do you call it, the girls and them, I forget. Anyway, you see, I can't say find my words, with the cheerleaders and them for the team then. My little friend Bianca and the rest of them. But anyway, yes, anybody who know me around that time, that's why I don't be up into much of the sports that much. But anybody who know me around that time, I was like an official Lakers member. That's how we do it. But anyway, again, condolences to the family, the friends, well wishes, the NBA franchise, Kobe, you will be missed. And it is said 5 people were on board, right? So we only give account for 2 so far, Kobe and his 13-year-old daughter. We don't know no information on who else was on the helicopter, all right? Sorry if my news ain't coming across right. I'm just trying to put it together here right now, all right? So, again, the Los Angeles Lakers legend Kobe Bryant died in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California. Where's the Lone Harris Road? One of them road there. But anyway, the crew, helicopter crew, fire crew, the police crew, they're all out there trying to figure out what's going on. Okay? So again, this is Stop By. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any information pertaining to this, let me know. Comment in the box. Yes, it's a kind of fragile day. And today is my friend's birthday. So, sad to say, I'm about to go to the gun show and to the casino. So after I put this video out, I wouldn't be here for a minute. And I don't think I may be putting up any more video for the rest of the day. Hopefully I will try to put some update on what's going on with Kobe and who else was on the helicopter, right? Because there's 3 other people who don't give a account for. and we would like to know who else was on the helicopter. All right? Again, this is Stop By. Share, like, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, LeBron James just surpassed Kobe all-time lead, I think, in the NBA just yesterday. So that was something that LeBron was looking forward to celebrating. Now we got to listen to this. Anyway, Stop By. I'm out.
Port, brother.